In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the product title font bold in Shopify. Whether you're looking to give your online store a more striking visual presence or simply want to make your product titles stand out, adjusting the font style is one of the simplest yet most effective ways to do so. Let's walk through this process together, step by step, ensuring clarity and precision. To get started, you'll need to access the site editor within Shopify. This is your main hub for customizing how your store appears to your customers, making it an incredibly powerful tool for personalization. Once you're in the site editor, you'll want to open any product page that uses the product page templates where you wish to change the title to bold. By selecting a product page that reflects your typical layout, you can ensure that your changes will propagate correctly across the board. Now, with one of these product pages open, direct your attention to the product title itself. Clicking on the title will allow you to begin editing it. You'll notice that as you click on the title, a new menu appears on the left side of your screen. This menu is where you can edit the properties and formatting of the product title. It might seem a bit daunting at first, but trust me, it becomes intuitive as you go along. Once you've accessed the title's properties, the next thing you should do is highlight the dynamic source. This is a crucial step because the dynamic source is essentially what pulls in and displays the title information. After highlighting it, look for the bold icon in the editing toolbar. By clicking on this bold icon, you can set your product title's font to bold instantly. And just like that, you're done. Your product title will now appear in bold, making it pop quite nicely on the page. It's important to keep in mind that customization options might vary depending on the Shopify theme you are using. Some themes come built with extensive flexibility, allowing for a wide array of modifications. Others might have more limitations, which can affect how much you can alter your store's appearance. Nevertheless, experimenting with these options is always worthwhile, as it allows you to align your store's visual style with your brand's identity. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the product title font to bold in Shopify. Customizations like these can subtly, yet effectively, enhance your store's readability and overall aesthetic appeal. Don't be afraid to explore other customization options within Shopify to give your store that unique flair. Thank you for tuning in today, and I hope this guide was helpful for you. Be sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks on improving your Shopify store.